Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi, and welcome. Today, we will be covering why you need YouTube Shorts in your YouTube strategy. Shorts can dramatically increase your reach. They are pushed to viewers who don't even know your channel yet. Shorts are one of the fastest ways to get discovered on YouTube. When you use Shorts, you meet your audience exactly where they already are. Viewers love quick, bite-sized content. Shorts match how people watch today. Fast, mobile, easy. Shorts work together with your long videos. Shorts grab attention. Your long-form content builds the relationship. Together, they grow your channel faster than using only one format. Consistency is one of the biggest signals the algorithm looks for. Shorts help you stay consistent without burnout. They're faster to make, easier to batch, and perfect for daily posting. Shorts are great for testing ideas. Try hooks, topics, and titles in short form first. If a short takes off, then you know the idea is worth turning into a full video. The more people that see you, the more they remember you. Shorts help your audience recognize your face, your voice, and your style. Familiarity leads to more clicks and more subscribers. No one can promise viral success, but Shorts give you a real chance. One strong idea and a great hook can reach thousands or even millions of people very quickly. You don't need to overthink it. Turn moments, tips, clips, highlights, and answers into Shorts. Short, simple, helpful, and repeatable. Start creating YouTube Shorts now and let them work alongside your main content. The winning YouTube strategy is simple. Long videos build depth. Shorts build discovery.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.